Today, we will explore the one mental shift that can transform your financial life. Many people struggle with money due to limiting beliefs and negative mindsets. The key to overcoming these challenges lies in changing your perspective on money. Instead of viewing money as a scarce resource, see it as a tool for opportunity. This shift allows you to focus on abundance rather than scarcity. Start by setting clear financial goals that align with your values and aspirations. Embrace a mindset of gratitude for what you have, which attracts more wealth. By adopting this mental shift, you can unlock the door to financial freedom.